take over Boston today on this Independence weekend. And it's not that we need another reason to come together and celebrate and have a party. This is the Boston Beach, the home of the Portland Jerk Festival, held every year in the summertime. Don't know why it hasn't occurred in the last 2 years, but there's a whole lot of rumor flying around.
Can you feel that vibe?
This is the Boston Beach, and the Jerk Center is just a stone throw up the road. So today we'll be moving between the two places. With the sound system malfunctioning and the guys are working on it, let's pop over to the Jerk Center and grab a bite in the meantime.
$500 a service.
Can I get $500 a serving now? I just have a pork.
Huh?
Chicken, pork.
No, finish. Come soup.
Can you feel that vibe?
This little strip of land, housing a few shops, is world famous for everything jerk. Started by freed African in the foothills of the Blue and Junker Mountain, this form of meat preparation comes with its own distinct flavor and has spread all over Jamaica and the world.
Super ground chicken clean and pretty.
Yeah, more line put them on and then put them in a quad. Look at that. Looking beautiful. Yeah, I see them all alive. Right above there. Chicken sausage and lone bumpies. Lone bumpies.
There's pork, chicken, rabbit, fish, reindeer, lobster, conch, are some of what's available here. The heat from the fire can be felt from a distance, and the smoke dominates every inch of the strip.
Can you feel that vibe? I wanna see it. I'll let you back.
Summer, lots of people are on the move, lots of foreigners, and this is one of the most visited locations on their journey. This is the rat race.
Can you feel the vibe? I wanna see it, I love your vibes.
Let's return back to the beach, where more and more people are arriving by the minute. What if the music is all sorted out?
Can you feel the vibe? I wanna see it, I love your vibes. Can you feel the vibe? I wanna see it, I love your vibes.
The music is up and running, and our DJ in his pink pants is in full flight. Wonder if this DJ is a Pink Panther. Maybe someone should ask him.
wanna see you, don't left your fibers.
And as more people make their way in, I'm making my way out. This party will continue long after the sun has set and the moon has risen in the horizon. Walk good and tell them other one out there.